after here at the car wash. Might be a little loud, but I forgot to finish videoing or recording the replacement of the windshield. Not replacement, the fixing of the windshield. And now I want to test it. For some reason my co-pilot doesn't like to get wet, and this was leaking pretty bad last summer on my road trip. So let's see what happens now. Oh, this car is kind of whitish. Soap on it. Not really caring if I wash this car or not. It's more I want to test the windshield, making sure I sealed it. I almost said properly. I did not seal it properly, but I think I sealed it good enough to the point where it shouldn't leak, but it also shouldn't be a pain to remove if I have to. Alright, that's enough soap. Well, I gotta get a new CB antenna. That little one that came with a unit doesn't really do too much. I can pick up a signal if I'm right next to somebody, but that's about it. Oh, where's the, over here. Okay, what's the high pressure? Where is it? High pressure rinse, I guess. Maybe that's what I was using before. How many of these stickers are waterproof? Well, hopefully this is waterproof now. I don't really want to take this apart. Again, it was a pain in the ass. And the new style clip really didn't work very well. I had to put a couple dabs of glue in there, but not a lot. I don't want to be the one that's swearing at myself for not for gluing the trim on. can't tell if there's any water inside or not. That's a good sign. So if it is leaking, it's not leaking much. Get it up in there. Really test this thing out. Okay, here we are on the inside of the car, and no evidence of anything leaking in here. Everything stayed outside where it belonged. So now if my passenger gets wet, it's because he's a slob and he spilled something on himself. Or I'm a bad driver and I bumped over a bump or something.